Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Identify the joystick's USB type and choose a matching port or adapter. Plug directly into a rear USB 3.0 port when possible because it supplies stable power and data. Once connected, watch for Windows device recognition. Make sure to download the manufacturer driver if the controller isn't auto-detected. Doing this now avoids later conflicts. It also ensures firmware compatibility and proper button mapping later in the process, so don't skip the driver check. Once drivers are installed, open the game controller's control panel or your joystick utility. This is where you calibrate axes and set dead zones to remove drift. Calibrate slowly. Move each axis fully and center it, because proper calibration prevents input jitter and improves aim or flight control. Next, set or create button maps with Steam input or third-party tools like Joystick. Mapping lets you translate joystick inputs to game commands. Make sure to save a profile per game so controls remain consistent. You finish by testing the joystick in a game and a diagnostic app to confirm axes and buttons behave as expected. This validates calibration and mapping. If something fails, first try a different USB port or a powered hub, then reinstall drivers because corrupt installs are common. If drift or missing inputs persist, update the joystick firmware when available and recalibrate once more. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the cable or port. Faulty cables and weak ports are the most frequent hardware culprits, and that step often fixes it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.